Hi friends, today we will learn heat transfer by convection. So, while learning this heat transfer by convection mode of heat transfer, you should know the heat transfer of fluid that is takes place by a medium and it is called as convection mode of heat transfer. Friends, we should know if this is the hot plate, this is hot plate, this is the surface of hot plate and fluid is flowing in this direction. This is the direction of fluid, this is the direction of fluid, direction of fluid flow, this is your surface and this is nothing but temperature of surface temperature. Here rate heat is flowing in this direction. Heat is flowing in this direction, your heat q is flowing in this direction and fluid, that is air, is flowing in this direction, and here will be temperature of this fluid. We should know when heat is flowing on this surface of this material or object, obviously the temperature of this surface is greater than this surface of the fluid. That's why we will write here the temperature of surface is always greater than temperature of fluid. So for this you have to know, according to Newton's law of cooling, a rate of heat transfer in convection is given by Q equals to H into A, surface temperature minus fluid temperature. According to, hence we can write here the rate of heat transfer in convection means rate of transfer between this fluid and this adjacent surface. Convection, rate of heat transfer in convection is given by Newton's law of cooling. Newton's law of cooling, that is heat transfer between this surface and adjacent fluid, between surface and adjacent fluid, which is given by Newton's law of cooling. Friends, we should know rate of heat transfer in convection mode of heat transfer is given by H into A, Ts minus Tf. Whereas Q is nothing but a rate of heat transfer rate of heat transfer in watt. This EH is convective heat transfer coefficient. Convective heat transfer coefficient. Then A is surface area, okay, which is given in meter square. Ts is temperature of surface. Temperature of surface. Tf is temperature of fluid. Temperature of fluid. Friends, from this equation, okay, from this equation we can write the equation for H also, okay, that is convective heat transfer coefficient. We can write here all this A in bracket Ts minus Tf, it is in multiplication with this H that goes here in division, okay. So we can write here H equals to Q by A into Ts, surface temperature minus fluid temperature. Friends, according to this we can find out what is the SI unit. Okay, you can find out the SI unit of this. H is convective heat transfer coefficient. Rate of heat transfer is measured in watt. Area is measured in meter square. And temperature difference, that is measured in degree Celsius or Kelvin. Okay, we can that measure in degree Celsius, or this can be written as watt per meter square Kelvin. Okay, you can use this and you will solve numericals on this. Okay, this is nothing but your rate of heat transfer in convection, and that is given by Newton's law of cooling. Okay, that is nothing but rate of heat transfer Q is equals to H into A Ts minus Tf, whereas H is your convective heat transfer coefficient, S is surface temperature, F is fluid temperature. You should have to know this small figure. Okay, your heat is flowing on this surface. Okay, heat is flowing on this surface which is perpendicular to the surface area, right? Same, you can observe here direction of flow. Okay, rate of heat transfer, that is Q. Okay, flow of heat and heat direction of flow, that are also in perpendicular direction. And you should know हीट इज फर्स्ट इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद दिस सरफेस के कॉन्टैक्ट में पहले आ रही, तो क्या हो रहा, टेम्परेचर ऑफ सरफेस इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ फ्लूइड. ओके, you should have to keep in mind this. Okay, this is important. Convective heat transfer coefficient H. In conduction we are giving the conduction heat transfer coefficient, that is thermal conductivity, by K. We are using here H. Thank you.